Hello everyone, this video is for you. It's a daily video that tells you what zone we're in, what basic weekly plan we're working on, and reminds you of your routines. Take a look, you'll see that these three things are here. There may be some other things in there that may or may not relate to the time of year, but that's okay. Enjoy. Hello Fly Babies, it's me, your FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to help you learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday, and it is a 3-layer cake. First layer, 5 routines. Morning routine for yourself, and then for your children. Take care of yourself first. Second routine only happens when you come home from work if you're a payroll Fly Baby, but if you're at home, you do your laundry and you do your paper routine. That's 2 and 3. When you go to work, when you come home, you do your laundry and your paper routine. Then everyone does their after dinner routine with the family, and then the before bed routine for your children and then for yourself, unless you are absolutely exhausted, and then you do yours first and then the children. Okay? Now today is Friday, so when you get to the after dinner routine and the before bed routine, that may not be something that's going to look like it normally does. You may be going out for dinner. You may be feeding the children early, or the babysitter may be feeding the children, or your mom, or whoever's taking care of them. So, or your older child. So, just plan that out. And your before bed routine will be more a before date routine. So you go get yourself freshened up and look pretty for your date. Make yourself smell good. Wear a clean blouse. Do something different. And then when you come home, you're still going to do that before bed routine. It's really important. Okay, those are your 5 routines. Today, again, is Friday. So on Friday, it's car and purse day. So clean out your car, clean out your purse. You can do it at work or at home. It's short and easy if you do it every single week, and you maintain by having something that reminds you to get all the things you just brought in the car out. So if you left a water bottle, get it out. If your kids left toys or French fry packets or whatever it is, it has to go. Keep a bag under the seat so you can get trash and put it in there and say, put all your trash in here, kids, let's go. Right? You're training them in the way that they should go. So when they're grown, they will not depart from it. When they're grown, they'll have a clean car. Isn't that a nice gift? Okay, we're in zone 4. I know on Wednesday and Thursday I said zone 3. I hope that you caught that. It's not zone 3, it's zone 4. It's because I record a week in advance, and even though I write zone 4 up here at the top, I didn't look, and I apologize. Okay, so zone 4, the master bedroom, master bathroom, master closet. Pick one thing, do it. If you happen to do 3 for 2 days, it's not the end of the world. Okay, so go in your bedroom and do something. If you're decluttering, do it for 15 minutes, and then complete the process by put away, throw away, give away, put away, give away, throw away. That's the actual, oh my gosh, sorry. Okay, I'm not going to edit that. I'm not. So I'm getting rid of my perfection. All right, so put away, give away, throw away, and then you're done. Or do the 10 minutes of one deep clean thing, and that makes such a difference. If you haven't cleaned your baseboards in a while in your bedroom, and you get down on your hands and knees with a cloth and some Mrs. Meyer's spray or some other kind of general cleaning spray, spray it and wipe it off. I use a good microfiber cloth. Man, when you walk in the room, it looks like woo. So just pick something and do it. Doesn't matter what it is. All right, that's it for today. I hope you have a fabulous day, a wonderful date with your spouse. Don't forget, always remember to do your 3 clutter checks a day. Inspect what you expect. Make sure that your children are aware of their choices, and always remember that you are beautiful. I hope you enjoyed that, and I know that you're going to have a great time in your house today. Remember to focus on getting it done first, fast, make it fun, and get it finished. Complete the process, and don't let those little things bug you that you see that are for future dates. Use your planner, and always remember that you are beautiful.